In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove text from photo using AI. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to come to firefly.adobe.com, and for this use, we're going to be using Adobe Firefly. Now, the first thing you then want to do, you want to sign into your account, or of course, create one in case you don't have one yet, and then you want to click on Image over here, and then click on Generative Fill here in the middle. Now, once you're in here, you want to upload in your photo, which has some text on it, okay? So, for example, I'm gonna upload this one over here. As you can see, it's just one of the photos that actually has some text. Now, this is just like a basic example. You could have any photo with any text. It doesn't matter. This tool will be able to remove it. Then what you're gonna have to do is click on Remove here on the left, and then you simply want to just draw over this text. Now, of course, you can make the brush a bit smaller so you can actually fit it, and you can just put it like this and go letter by letter, like me right now, or you can basically just paint over it like this. However, the results will vary depending on, of course, how your text is looking, how big it is, what's in the background, etc. So for this basic instance, this is going to be fine, but of course, if there's going to be some a more detailed background that's not just one color like here, you will have to basically go letter by letter and do it very precisely. So once you've done this, simply press on remove, and then over here it's going to start generating a new image which actually does not have this text anymore. So let's wait a few seconds. Usually takes like 10 to 15 seconds, and it's going to give you three different options of course, a new image. So as you can see over here, it's still loading. There we go. Now we have a new image, and as you can see, all of them are very good, and a person's eye could literally not tell that there was some text there earlier because this did a very good job. So that's pretty much it. After that, once you're happy with one of the variations, click on keep, click on download, and you're good to go. So that's pretty much that. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.